Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the Base Guy. Another update on the Tahoe. I took my passenger seat out because what I'm doing is I'm cleaning all my leather seats now, cleaning them and replacing them. And what I'm starting to realize is when I used to have my eyes closed, when I used to do those demos, my eyes used to water because it was from all the dust. And I realized not this build, but the build prior that I had with the four-wall 440, so much dust was in this truck. And I'm looking under this seat, and there's so much MDF wood under here, it's ridiculous. And it just come from the buildup of the MDF wood from my build prior, you know. And if y'all look on the other side, I replaced my seats and I cleaned my top leather portion thoroughly. So my leather seats is practically new right now. If y'all look and see, basically it's new. And I cleaned up under this seat as well. So much MDF wood up under there. So now I know why when I was playing my bass, I had wood particles flying all in my truck, and it's because of all the stuff that was under here, all the wood, MDF wood that was on my dash, you know. And that's very unacceptable, especially when it comes to builders. And I had to clean all that stuff up. Took the seat out. This seat is like brand new now. This was replaced as well. And I'm going to replace the other. And I'm about to clean these carpets, get these nice and spiffy. Right now I'm cleaning the passenger seat, and I'm getting all this stuff ready for the next show, because my truck, not only is it going to be loud, but it's going to be nice and clean too. So I'm going to clean this carpet, get all this MDF wood. This is stuff I was talking about. All this fucking MDF wood. And it was actually giving me freaking sinus infections when I was done demoing and stuff. So I'm definitely cleaning all this stuff out. And as some of y'all may not see my other video, but I do have one of the FI SP4s in there. I was just doing a test fit. Everything is fitting pretty good in here, and I can't fucking wait until my other 7 come. Like I said, they currently being built right now, and I should be getting my first update 18, 19, 20, 21 on the 21st of this month. So I'm happy to see that. But yeah, like I said, the progress is going pretty good. My dome light piece, that's coming in tomorrow, as well as my wood trim bezels, that's coming in tomorrow. So all that's gonna be coming in. And yeah, like I say, all this is gonna be cleaned up. I don't have to worry about no more goddamn dust, because that's what's killing me. And as y'all see, I'm currently cleaning my seat right now. That's what I'm currently cleaning right now. And this seat cover right here is the one that's getting replaced with a new one. And as y'all see, I live pretty well too. If y'all see, I have a pretty nice house, pretty nice. So all my money just ain't on base. I live how I sound, if that makes sense. But yeah, just giving y'all updates. Just making sure that this truck is ready for finals. Getting everything done. All right, y'all got any comments? And if y'all want me to do another live, leave comments in the comment box. Tell me what type of live discussion you all want, and I'll be on. So the next live I want to do is Friday. All right, if I get a live going Friday, it's going to be Friday at 5 p.m. All right, and whatever y'all want to talk about, leave the comments below. We can talk about it. If I got any questions, hit me up.